Hello, I'm going to show you how to add labels to your contacts. To find your contacts, come up here to the box, click on it, and go to Contacts. If you want to add a label, like I would find this helpful, I'm going to label one called Front Office. So I'm going to go to Create Label. Sometimes when things happen, we need to notify everyone in the front office. So then what I'm going to do is click on my front office people, just so I personally have a visualization of what I want to do. And I'm going to come over here, I'm going to hit these three dots, and I'm going to find that label I just made, and I'm going to click front office for each one of these fine people. And whoops, like I said, I feel like this is pretty clunky, but this is the way that I do it. And if you know a better way, feel free to reply all to this. And you can see here front office went from nothing to my 4 people. Okay, so you might say, okay, so what that you have that label in your contacts? The really nice part is when you go to send an email, you can just say front office and all of those people are in that email, and then you can send.